What is time blocking?
Time blocking is a planning method that divides your day into set periods or blocks dedicated to specific tasks or activities. Instead of a simple to-do list, you schedule each task into your calendar. This approach helps you minimize distractions, better manage your workload, and stay focused on high-priority activities throughout the day.
Why time blocking works?
Time blocking boosts productivity because it helps you prioritize tasks and reduce decision fatigue. By assigning a specific time for each activity, you're less likely to multitask or get sidetracked. This structure clarifies what you should be working on and when, making it easier to say no to low-priority interruptions.
Setting up time blocks in your calendar.
To start, choose any digital calendar, such as Google Calendar or Outlook. Break your day into segments: work tasks, meetings, breaks, and personal time. Block off time slots for each task or group of similar tasks. Colors or labels can help you quickly identify types of activities and maintain balance throughout your week.
Tips for effective time blocking.
Be realistic about how long tasks take. Always include buffer time between blocks for quick breaks or overruns. Review and adjust your schedule daily to account for changes and unexpected tasks. Don't forget to block time for deep work, emails, and even rest. Flexibility is key to making this method sustainable.
The benefits you'll notice.
Over time, you'll experience greater focus, less stress, and improved awareness of how you spend your hours. Time blocking makes it easier to track progress toward your goals and ensures essential tasks get the attention they deserve. With a clearer plan, you can confidently tackle busy days and make the most of your time.